Hey everyone, welcome to Different Fins. It's an absolutely beautiful early May afternoon. I just got off work, so naturally I had to come out fishing. Here's the crazy part. I'm going to be ice fishing. That's right, it's still the month of May and we have ice. So I'm going to take advantage of it. We have a little bit of open water, but I am wearing my rubber boots, so no worries. Yeah. Couple pockets of open water. Still looks like there's lots of black ice though. It's just messy, that's all. Oh boy, I thought this was going to be easy. Whew. It's a good thing I'm not going far. Ah. Let's see what we really have here. Wow, still very thick, very slushy, but very thick. Let's see how deep or thick this ice actually is. I'm going to stick this ladle down. There, that's the bottom right there. It's exactly the length of this. That's how thick the ice is. For the month of May, that's exceptional. Today I'm just sticking with my usual 16th ounce Northland Whistler jig and a 1-inch Berkeley gulp minnow. Let's see how deep it is here. We have about 6 feet minus 24 inches for the ice itself. It's a good depth. This isn't my typical spot on this lake. I generally fish just off that rocky point, but with that foot of slush on top of the ice, I found a nice pad where it was maybe frozen a little more. It's elevated, nice and dry. There's no reason why there can't be fish here too. Just sending a text message to my wife. I'm well out of cell service, but just to let her know I'm here and I'm safe. I'm using my Zoleo, which is a satellite communicator. So pretty much anywhere in the world I could send messages. Gives you some peace of mind. Oh, she just got it. I'm hoping the bite will turn on a little bit as the sun goes down. I normally fish this lake at sunrise, first 2-3 hours of the day. I've never been here at this time, but I'm sure they're around. It's so quiet, I could hear birds off in the distance and the ice melting. It's very peaceful. Just sandy bottom. I wonder if I should go a little more shallow and find some rocks. Big rock right there. Not too far from structure. Let's see what does this look like. Still looks like a flat sandy bottom, but I'm a lot closer to the rocky structure. It's just too slushy over there to fish, so I'm gonna stick it out over here, I think. Had a tap. Oh yeah, these down there. Is he gone? Oh, there we go. I thought I was gonna get skunked. Stop it. Oh, these things are impossible. Oh. Good thing I wet my hands. Get her over to the live well. The sun is setting on my ice fishing season. Just got off the lake, all packed up. Kind of a bittersweet feeling. I really enjoy late winter fishing. In fact, it's one of my favorite times of the year to go fishing. I'll look forward to this all summer, actually. Well, I didn't get skunked. I couldn't fish the spot I normally fish on this lake due to the bad slush. And I normally come at sunrise, not in the evening. But I had one hit. Then another fish grabbed it right at... I was actually just about to quit fishing. And I caught that fish. Anyway. That's it for the hard water season. I'm going to go home. Get my kayak ready. Because open water is just around the corner. See you then.